if I should stay or be alone. Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share it to your friends. And with that said, let's get on with the review, and thanks for watching.
Just waiting for the fight, but you won't even.
Nanoleaf has been making HomeKit connected light panels since 2017 when it launched its first triangle-shaped lights, but the newest panels in the Shape line are the only ones that are interoperable and able to connect together. The hexagons, triangles, and mini triangles work together, but they do not work with the original triangle-shaped light panels or the square-shaped canvas panels.
But my heart can't easily let you go.
Stay tuned and let's have a look what is in the box.
This isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone.
Opening the box, you will find the 42-watt power supply, able to deliver energy for up to 29 triangles.
If I should stay or be alone.
A quick guide that will help you to set up and connect your light panels, and a handy leaflet with some setups examples.
I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay.
The controller, able to manage up to 500 panels. The controller offers some physical controls, plus provides the Wi-Fi connection and smarts that control the panels. A future update will add thread support. Standard mounting tape. Once you have a plan, you need to stick each panel to the wall. Rigid linkers. Panels are connected together via the connectors provided in the box, which plug into the connector points located around each shape. These click into place, rather than sliding, which makes building your final shape easier. And finally, the panels. In this starter kit there are 9 triangle shape panels. To allow for more design and style inspirations for your walls, the Shapes triangles feature 2 linker ports for each side, which gives us a total of 6 linkers per Shapes triangle. With more linking capabilities, there is more creative freedom on how to make your wall designs shine. For example, you can add 2 mini triangles to one side of a Shapes triangle. A good starting point in setting up your Nanoleaf is to get all that you need ready to go. Prepare all the linkers first. Get your controller ready to be connected, placing a linker on the back. It's a good idea to try your Nanoleaf controller, power adapter and panel, just to make sure that everything is working correctly before starting to stick them on the wall. It can get quite messy if you attempt to remove the tape from the wall. It is also recommended to have a clear idea about your final layout.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober, so I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see.
Setup is a matter of attaching the panels together with a series of plasticky linkers before sticking each panel to your wall with the included oversized double-sided foam fixing pads. That's where the Nanoleaf shapes feel a little cheap given their price tag, but it does work pretty well, and you can opt to purchase a screw mount kit instead. Figuring out a layout can be one of the most difficult parts of setting up new Nanoleaf lights, and Nanoleaf has a layout assistant that lets you experiment with different arrangements. There's even an augmented reality option that lets you see the panels right on the wall before you attach them. Once you piece everything together, it takes seconds to set up via the app, thanks to an intuitive setup process. One delightful touch is that the app and hardware can detect the arrangement you've created, showing it on the app and helping you create a scene that works just right for you.
It's finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see.
With a built-in rhythm module, the triangles can be set to change colors based on the rhythm of the music that's playing if desired, with sound-based options like fireworks, streaking notes, paint splatter, and others available. Setting up color palettes and choosing motion effects is the most fun part about owning a Nanoleaf product.
Won't you make up your mind?
Completing the set of useful features, the Nanoleaf Shapes also supports plenty of other smart devices. Working well with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, along with Apple HomeKit, you can easily change things with the power of your voice. IFTTT support makes things all the more convenient as well as allows you to set up some useful shortcuts.
But my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know.
Thank you for watching. Please consider supporting my YouTube channel by clicking subscribe, like, share and comment.